welcome to Narayana Live Classes. Today our marking assignment is chapter 3 playing with numbers. Question exercise 3.1 question number 1 CD, 2 CD, 3 CD and coming to you can refer textbook page number 73 to 76. First one is fill in the blanks. So from that 53 and 55 are pair of dash numbers. So all type of numbers are 53 and 55. Coming to 53. So how many factors are there for 53? 53 having 1 and 53 only. So it is a prime number. It is a prime number. And coming to 55. For 55, 1, 5 and 5. Next 11. Next 55. So it is a composite number. Composite number. Okay. So what did you observe here? Any factors are there? Any common factors are there other than 1? No. There is no common factor. Factors are there for 53 and 55 other than 1. So what we call the type of numbers? The type of numbers we will call as co-prime numbers. Co-prime numbers. Co-prime numbers. So co-prime numbers is nothing but other than 1. There is no common factor of them. Okay, there is no common factor of them other than 1. That type of numbers we will call as co-prime numbers. Okay, coming to next one. 4 is the dash even composite number. So 4 having more than 2 factors. So that's why we are calling the composite number. Okay. And coming to 1. 1 what type of number? 1 is neither prime nor composite. And 2 what type of number? 2 is prime number. That too only 1 and only even prime number. Coming to 3. 3 is prime number. That too smallest odd prime number. Coming to 4. 4. So up to 4 there is no composite number. So means 4 is the smallest composite number. Smallest even composite number. The smallest even composite number. Coming to second one. Find the factors of the following numbers. Find the factors of following numbers. So what is a factor? A factor is a number. Okay, that divides the another number without leaving any remainder. A factor is a number that divides the another number without leaving any remainder. Okay, otherwise if a factor is said to be a number without leaving any remainder. Okay, now coming to here. First one 108. How to find the factors of a number in multiplication table? Now we have to check how many times it will be go. So 1 is a factor of every number. So 1 into 108. So 1 into 108 is 108. Now 2 table because 2 is divided by 108 because 108 is an even number. So how many times it will? 54 times. 54 2's are 108 and coming to 3. 3 also will divide, that is 36 times 108. Now coming to 4. 4 also it will be divided. So how many times? 27 times. 4 27's are 108. Now coming to 5. 5 is not divided by 108 and coming to 6. So 6 will be divided. How many times it will be? 6 into 18 times. 6 18s are 108 and coming to 7. 7 is divisible by 108. Check it. How many times it will? 108 is divided by 7. 1 times 7. Now 38. So 38 is not there in 7 table. So 7 it will not divisible. Now coming to 8. So 8 can we divide with 8? See 108 by 7 and 8. So here 1 time 8. Now 28. 28 is not there. in 8. So 8 also it will not divisible. Now coming to take 9. 9 12 are 108. Now 10 table not divisible. Now these all are factors of 108. So again after 10, 11 it will not divisible. Now coming to 12 is there. 12 9s are 108. 18 6 are 108. 27 4s are 108. 36 3s are 108. 54 2s are 108. 108 1s are 108. So the factors of 108 are, therefore the factors of 108 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, 27, 36, 54 and 108. Got it? Now coming to 122. So again 122. So 1 into 122. How many times? 122 times. In 2 table 61s are 122. Now coming to 3 table it will be no. 3 table it will not divide because remainder will not get 0. So coming to 4 table, no. 4 is not a factor of 122 and 5 table also not divide. Coming to 6 table, no. 6 also not a factor of 122 and coming to 7 table, 7 table it will be divide. No, because suppose check, you can check 7 122. So 1 time 7 52. So 52 is not there. Now coming to 8 table. So 8 table it will be divide. Check it. No. 8 table also not divide. Coming to 9 table. No. Coming to 10 table. No. Okay. So more than that, no other tables in 10 table after 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So till up to 61. So these all are factors of 122. 1, 2, 61 and 122. So these all are factors of 122. Got it? Coming to next one. Find the common factors of each set of numbers. Find the common factors of each set of numbers. Now, first write the factors of 28. Write the factors of 28. 1 is the factor of 28 and 2 also factor of 28 and 3 is not divisible and 4 also factor of 28 and 5 is not factor of a 28. 6 is not factor of a 28. Now coming to 7. 7 is a factor of 28. 8, no. 9, no. 10, no. 11, no. 12. See again how many times. So it will come again. Here you can check easily. 1 into 28 is 28. So 2 into 14 is 2 14s are 28. Okay. Now coming to, now 4 7s are 28. Okay. Now again 40 and 28. Like 30. What are the factors of 30? So 1 into 30 is 30. 2 15s are 30. Like 3 10s are 30. 4 table, no. 5 6 are 30. 6 5s are 30. 7, no. 8, no. 9, no. 10 3s are 30. 15 2s are 30. 31s are 30. So the factors of 30 are 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10. Next 15 and next one is 30. Now coming to 42. Now write the factors of 42. 42. Now one table 1 into 42 is 42. Now in 2 table how many times? 21 times. 2 21s are 42. 2 21s are 42. And coming to 3 table, Yes. How many times? 3 14s are 42. And 4 table? No. 5 table? No. 6 table. 6 7s are 42. Now again 7 6 are 42. 7 6 are 42. Again 8 table, there is no factor. Okay. No, 8 is not a factor of 42. 9 table, no, 9 is not a factor of 42. 10 is not a factor of 42. Up to 14. 14 is a factor of 42. How many times? 14 threes. Up to 21. 21 twos are 42. 42 ones are 42. Now what are the factors of 42? 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 14, 21 and 42. Now what we have to find? We have to find the common factors. So one is the common factor. 1 is a common factor of every number. 1 after here 2 is there. 2 is also common factor. 2 is there. Now here 3 is not there. 3 is there. 3 is there. There is no common factor. 4 here. 4 is not there. 4 is not there. 7 is there. No, there is no 7. Here is there 7. No, here is there. But we have to find the 3 numbers having common factors. So here 14. Here 14 is not there. Here is there. But this number are not having. Now 28. 28 not there. 28 not there. So these 3 numbers means the numbers 28, 30, 42 having common factors only 1 and 2. The common factors of 28, 30 and 42 are 1 and 2. Coming to next one. Write the factors of 20. Now first 20. How to write? Now again 1 into 20 is 20. Next write 2 tens are 20. 3 table is 20 is there? No. 3 is not a factor of a 20. Now 4 5s are 20. Now 5 fours are 20. 6. So in 6 table 20 is not there. 7 table? No. 8 table? No. 9? No. 10? Yes. 10 twos are 20. 21s are 20. So the factors of 20 are 1. You can write here. 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. Now write the factors of 35. Now 35 means 1 into 35 is 35. In 2 table, no, 35 is an odd number. 2 is not a factor of 35. In 3 table, no. Okay, in 4 table, no. 5, yes. 5 sevens are 35. Coming to 6 table, no. 6 is not a factor of 35. Coming to 7 table, 7 5s are 35. See, again reverse order. 7 5s are 35. Now up to 35 ones are 35. So the factors of 35 are 1, 5, 7, 35. Now coming to 45. Now for 45, 1 into 45 is the 45 because 1 is factor of every number. In 2 table, no, 2 is not a factor of 45. In 3, yes, 3 50s are 45. In 4 table, no, 5 9s are 45. In 6 table, no, 7 is not a factor of 45. 8 is not a factor of 45. 9, yes, 9 5s are 45. See, reverse order. 9 5s are 45. 15 3s are 45. 45 1s are 45. So the factors of 45 are 1, 3, 5, 9, 15 and 45. So what are the common factors here? 1 is always common factor. 1, 1, 1. Now 2 is there. Here not there. Here not there. 3, 4 is there. No. 3 is there. 5, 5, 5, 5. Okay. Now 10, 20, 7, 35, 9, 15, 45. So only the common factors are 1 and 5. So the common factors of 20 and 20, 35 and 45 are 1 and 5 only. The common factors 1 and 5 only. Got it? Once again practice. Thank you children.